My community is back. Welcome back, community. Alright. So I think... nope, still not done with the toes yet. Let's continue with the toes. So let's make darkness there, darkness here, darkness there, darkness everywhere. And then we're going to use this tool. Let's see if I like that from a distance. From a distance. So keep in mind that the page is this big, and the toes that I just drew, if we print it out, are going to be 30%. It's going to be that big. So, yeah, the toes are fine. Let's not the perfectly the enemy of the good. Artsy not trying to do anything but just make you aware. Just make sure anyone who gets seen by your camera on Twitch is at least 13 years old. Oh, you just made it. Just made the cutoff. Thank you. I did not know that was part of the TOS. I have seen people on camera with that were definitely not 13 years old. So, who reads those terms of service word for word? It's a lot of terms of service, it's a lot of words. Not everybody, not all streamers have a lawyer present and handy to look at the terms of service. So my son is 13 years old, but does have Down syndrome. You may have noticed. So, does not have the mentality of a typical 13-year-old. I do notice something, but wasn't really sure. Just don't want to get in trouble. Yeah, okay, no problem. Thank you for mentioning that. When I post these videos to YouTube, I do cut him out because I don't want him in the YouTube videos at all. pretty sure YouTube doesn't want him in the YouTube videos. Their terms of service. There are no straight lines in nature, so if you're making something natural, don't make a straight line. If you're making a landscape, no straight lines, please. Natural rock formations do not have straight lines unless they are cut out by a human. What does that say about God? What does that say about the natural world that God creates? I don't have an answer for that. Just a question. I got questions, but not answers. Alright, I think I'm going to raid out. Does anybody have any requests to raid out? Let's see who's available. I'd like to meet someone new, that'd be nice. Can we meet somebody new? Alright, I have never raided Loser Beam before. Let's go find Loser Beam. Yes, I am planning on raiding someone. Sounds like, do you have any suggestions besides Loser Beam? Assassinator stuff. Yes, I do know Assassinator Steph. She's a real sweet person, loves Jesus. Alright, Assassinator Steph it is. Oh yes, I remember now. Very sweet. Alright, I'm going to put my raid command in the chat. Feel free to copy and paste that from my chat into her chat. And let's get this thing going. Let's see who's with me. 4 people, 5 people, 6 people, 7 people, ready to raid. Okay, thank you for being with me. Thank you for the new follow, Son of Light. And normally I'm streaming on Tuesdays, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time US. And that will be the next time that I stream. And let's raid Assassinator Steph now. And but until then, until Tuesday, may the Lord be with you. Raiding now.